Hey, what's up, guys? And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about 8 ways you can promote your laundromat business, be it on internet, be it on social media, or any other platform. Cause let me not lie to you, cause like in my previous videos, I always say one of the best business ideas to ever have this year has to do with laundromats. Laundromats remain my top OG business. Like when I speak of businesses, I always speak of laundromats. Like it's a money machine printing business. Like it's the most liquid business you will ever have. And this is the only business that I can advise you guys right now to get into. So that's why in today's video, I'm gonna show you like close to 8 different ways to promote your laundromat business. And please, if you like such wonderful and amazing content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This will encourage me to create more amazing content like this. So to begin with, let's see laundromat. So I always start by telling people, you have to create a Google business because your laundromat has to do with where you're located. Are you understanding? Because people want to go to the laundromat closest to them. So to begin with, okay, I always advise you that at the start, for a start, you need reviews. And the best way to get reviews actually sometimes is really by buying reviews. I don't give a fuck about what I'm saying because, you know, if you're starting right now, you need reviews. And also, from reviews, sometimes you see this guy doesn't have a website. This guy has a website. But you have to learn, okay, this is a Chinese business. This is a Chinese laundromat. And with images and everything, you don't even need much to create a website, but you need at least a website. Like, wait. Okay, perfect. This is the location, 17 pictures. Okay, this laundromat is just besides me. So, a laundromat business is all about the location. Because your immediate customers are the neighborhood. It's in the neighborhood that you get most of your customers. So at least you will need to come on Yelp too, because a lot of people are in Yelp. Okay, let's see Yelp. You will need to register your business in Yelp. You will need to put everything in Yelp, Speedy Queen Laundry, and all the like. You will need to go to Yelp. And also, you can start creating articles because right now I'm in Toronto. It's gonna show. Let's see other addresses. I don't really know why my shit is in. I don't know. I'm English. I don't know why. Okay, perfect. These are the closest laundromats to me. So for your business to be here, you will need to add the location. You will need to register your business on Google Business and wait, hold on. Let's see. So the first and best place is to start with Google. Like Google is the first best option with regards to your laundromat business. So I advise everybody you must be on Google. Then the second, let's go to Facebook. I have a video dedicated only to Facebook. So this is the second way, and let's see laundromats. Laundromat. Okay, you have okay, this is a laundromat espresso bar, but let me just go laundromats. Perfect. Let's see where we at. And you see, right? You see a lot of groups whereby you can join these different groups. You can join these laundromat groups. Take, for example, you're in Toronto or you're in New York. You can see newcomers in Toronto. Let's see. And you look for groups within Toronto. Okay, newcomers, you have Toronto small businesses, Toronto newcomers. You can join most of these groups. So take for example, I'm in one of the group. I come to members. I'm sorry if it's in French. So once you're in members, take for example, this is Elisha. You feel okay? I don't know Elisha, so okay, let's say I've added this guy. You can text him. Hello, I see we in the same group and we are new in Toronto. There is this new laundromat. Let's see. Laundromat at downtown. I will be happy if you come check it out. You know, sorry. So that's basically it. So you can start like that, and you create a lot of momentums. You can There are different types of groups. Okay, take for example co- construction. Let's just say construction. You go to groups because I always love construction workers because those are one of the highest consumers of laundromats because after work, they only the place to wash all these dresses. Cooks, restaurants, you look for restaurants, groups, and you advertise your laundromat to these people. And from there, that's it. You look for construction groups, you message 17,000 members, you message each and every member. So that's how you're gonna increase people into your laundromat. And number three is TikTok. TikTok, okay, you come to laundromat, sorry. So you see videos 13 million, 3.6 million, 7.85, 785K. So you see many, see this laundromat. Okay, great. 45, 43.5 million views. Bro, you can decide to create something like this, you know, 53,000 views. So you're actually growing your brand. Why? So TikTok is a very great platform. I also love Pinterest. Number four is Pinterest. Let's see. I'm sorry if I don't have, I don't know if my I haven't, okay, I have a Pinterest account. Skip for now. Sorry. Yeah, these are my monthly views of Pinterest. Yeah, I'm really active on, I'm heavy on Pinterest. Let's see, laundromat. You see, these are videos. Let's see. Okay. See, she has 358.7k monthly views just on Pinterest. You see, right? So she has different tutorials and laundries and detergents and all of that. So, yep, this is a great way to promote on Pinterest, promoting videos. You write your brand, New York Premium Sustainable Laundry Service and online destination for garment care solutions. So, I always tell people, Pinterest remains another very extravagantly great way of promoting your laundromat business. So I know that the next numbers five is what I call word of mouth. Okay, this year, for example, you have to create flyers. You walk around in the neighborhood, billboards and word of mouth. You talk to one or two people. You give out discounts to one or two people. You walk around in the neighborhood, promoting your business and doing a lot of stuffs, and you know engaging with the people directly in town. So that's that's a very great way of promoting your no so okay. Yeah, that's actually a great way of promoting your business on Pinterest. So yes, I love Pinterest. So sorry, what am I even saying? I'm not even speaking of Pinterest, sorry. It's someone who was texting me because he wanted me to help him with the promotion of his laundromat. And also number 8, you should have a very like your business has to be clean. Sorry, that's number 6. Have a clean business. Change it, change your decor. Turn your laundromat into a party area. Okay, let me go exactly to let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Uh, I basically love what this page is doing. Let's see. I love what they're doing. Let's see. Hold on, please. Just hold on. Sorry. Laundromat bar. Let's see. Let's see. I'm so sorry because I'd seen a video the other day. I can't really see it. Whereby, okay, something like this. A laundromat into a bar, into a formidable place. So people buy experience. You need to sell. Sometimes you need to sell experience. So you really need to sell experience, and you have other mediums, influencer shout outs. You can partnership with detergent companies. Those are some of the best ways to promote your laundromat business. So like I always say, this is a business that can never die down. Laundromat businesses remain one of the most profitable sectors. And yep, so basically, it's the number one most liquid form of money, and there are thousands of ways to promote your laundromat business. And today, if you want to promote your business, you can check out my email. My email address is down in the description. I collaborate with a lot of laundromat business owners, and we work together in promoting your business for you. And if you love this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This will encourage me to create more entertaining videos and more tips and tricks for you on how to grow your laundromat business. And thanks for following me, and have a great and wonderful day. And I wish you all the best. Kudos. Bye.